Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Roblox disconnecting for no reason. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So the first thing that we need to do is open up our computer search. Here we will search for network connections, and we want to open up View Network Connections. Find the network connection that you're using. The one that you are using won't have an X under it, so for me it's the third one. Right-click, go to Properties. Here, we will go to Internet Protocol version 4. Highlight it and select Properties. Now, check this option. Use the following DNS server addresses. Type 8888 in the preferred DNS server box, and for the alternate DNS server, type 8844. Now, click on OK and close. Now, the next thing that we need to do is open up our computer search yet again and search for CMD. You will find the command prompt, right-click on it, and then Run as Administrator. Now here, the command that we will type is ipconfig flush DNS. This is basically going to reset the settings that we just created and apply them successfully. This will flush the DNS resolver cache. Now what we need to do is restart our PC, and it should not disconnect for no reason anymore. So that's basically how you can fix Roblox disconnecting for no reason. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.